For busy home cooks who crave delicious, versatile meals, the Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor Electric Grill offers an enticing solution. This multifunctional appliance promises the power of outdoor grilling, the convenience of air frying, and the ability to roast, bake, and dehydrate all in one compact unit. But does the Ninja Foodi live up to the hype? Let's delve into its features and see if it can transform your home cooking game. Searing, sizzling, and air frying. The Ninja Foodi boasts three key functionalities. Grill. The unique Cyclonic Grilling Technology utilizes 500 degrees Fahrenheit rapid cyclonic air to surround food for even cooking and delicious char-grilled marks. This allows you to achieve that smoky, outdoor grill flavor right on your countertop. Air fryer. Craving crispy fried food without the guilt? The included 4-quart crisper basket lets you air fry your favorite foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Versatility beyond grilling and frying. The Ninja Foodi doesn't stop there. It also offers baking, roasting, and dehydrating functions, allowing you to prepare a wide variety of dishes. Convenience and functionality. Beyond its versatility, the Ninja Foodi offers several features that enhance its user experience. Frozen to perfectly grilled. This feature is a game changer for busy cooks. Simply toss frozen food onto the grill, and the Ninja Foodi will transform it into perfectly cooked and char-grilled goodness in under 25 minutes. Easy cleanup. The PTFOA-free, non-stick ceramic-coated grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are all dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleaning a breeze. Additional considerations. Size. While compact for a countertop appliance, it's still important to consider its size and ensure you have adequate counter space. Temperature control. The temperature settings might not offer the same level of precision as dedicated ovens or air fryers. The verdict. The Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor Electric Grill is a versatile appliance that can revolutionize your home cooking routine. Its ability to grill, air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate offers a variety of options for preparing delicious and healthy meals. The convenience of frozen to grilled functionality and dishwasher-safe parts further enhances its appeal. While the size might require some counter space planning and temperature control might not be as precise as dedicated appliances, the overall functionality makes the Ninja Foodi a compelling option for busy home cooks seeking versatility and convenience. If you're looking for an appliance that can replace multiple countertop devices and simplify your cooking process, the Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 is worth considering. However, if you prioritize precise temperature control or have limited counter space, a dedicated air fryer or grill might be a better fit. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.